This segment is sponsored by Smile Dental Partners, a locally owned multi-specialty dental practice with 4 locations here in West Michigan. Smile is the only practice that combines under one roof adult and pediatric dentistry and orthodontics. And here to talk about how they do all of that in these crazy times of ours, Clinical Director Stacey Sloan. Hi, Stacey. Good to see you.
Hi, Catherine. Nice to see you.
Smile Dental Partners reopened in June of last year, and you introduced a new safety assurance program. And I remember talking a lot about it at the time. How are your patients responding? Well, let's first, let folks know what the assurance program is, and tell me how the patients are receiving it. How are things going?
Yes, absolutely. So after COVID, obviously, we've all had to pivot. And one thing that we did is we installed UV Angel in all of our offices. And so what it does is it filters the air, it filters through all of the germs and bacteria, the COVID in the air, filters through that air, and it makes it a safe environment for the patients. And then obviously our standard protocol, using our PPE equipment, making sure that our team is safe and our patients are safe. So
Good. And they're feeling it. They're expressing to you, that they're feeling good.
yeah, absolutely. I actually think COVID has been good for us in the sense that as soon as we opened back up and we took those safety protocols, our patients are coming in. Our existing patients are coming back in for their appointments, and we are at a record high with new patients. So it's great.
Yeah. One thing that COVID has done in many industries is presented a challenge as far as human resources, and you are in that boat as well. Tell me about what kinds of positions you're hiring for.
Absolutely. So we are growing at all 4 locations, our clinical positions and also our business positions. So with that growth, we are in a situation where we have a lot of positions to fill.
So, some people might think, well, I don't have any dental experience. Tell me about the variety of positions.
Yes, absolutely. So we have our clinical positions available. We have dental positions, dental hygienists, we have assistant positions. But yeah, speaking to that not having experience, we also have some business positions available. And we have quite a few team members on our team right now that came and onboarded with us and had no dental experience, and no dental knowledge even. So we had an opportunity to bring them on board and use their prior experiences, but give them the dental training that they needed.
I think from the outside looking in, one of the attractions of working on your team would be the exposure to that whole, I would use the word continuum of care, right? Pediatric to adult to orthodontics. You get exposure to it all. But just,
Yeah.
and I'm sure that's on your list of pluses. Tell me about some of the benefits of working for Spa.
Absolutely. So that is a big plus. I think for me personally, though, the biggest plus for working for Smile is our culture. I've been with the company for 10 years, and I remember when I started, that culture is really what drew me in. And I think one of the most rewarding parts of my job is being involved in that hiring process. And I get to bring candidates back for a working interview, and then I call them back to get some feedback on how it went. And the most rewarding part of my job is hearing that response. And I think, a lot of people just say, wow, I don't know what it was, but the people there are amazing. The culture is great. Everybody is there to help. And I think that speaks a lot to our culture and what it's like at the office.
That's awesome. So folks are no doubt going to hear this and want to connect with you and talk about getting in the doors. How do they do that?
I would love to hear from you. So, yeah, you can go right to our website, smiledentalpartners.com, and all of the positions that we have available are on our website.
Awesome. Okay, well, 4 locations in West Michigan. As I said,
Yes.
Cascade, Grand Haven, North Muskegon, and Holland. And we'll put all the contact information on our website at 13onyourside.com. Stacey, thanks so much.
Thank you.